how Mongolian singing sounds to a non-Mongolian speaker. Ever wondered how a song in your language sounds to those who don't understand it? Let's listen. Sorgendur vakfla tuk den sartolun manjuk veldar torkan selvictor kunjam lok brun brak frastik gelnab fornik torma brellor falgondor victel tandrostat. Yes, I know it doesn't sound like the actual language. That's because it's not. The channel's called Language Gibberish after all. But there'll always be some who miss the point and comment that's not what this language sounds like. All because they didn't get the joke. Your comments really do make me feel psychic. Follow me if you want to hear Spongebob obliterate more languages in hilarious gibberish.